Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by wiring Tailwind into your app, so install Tailwind and post CSS, then run the init command. Once done, create Tailwind. Config JS and enable JIT for instant feedback. Make sure to include at Tailwind base, components, utilities in your main CSS. You'll want a clear input/output pipeline, post CSS, or a framework plugin so your classes compile. This gets you into the first actionable state, a working Tailwind build that will respond to viewport classes. You now implement responsive rules using Tailwind's mobile-first approach. Apply base classes for small screens, then layer SM, MD, LG, and higher prefixes. Once you compose utilities like flex, grid, gap, px, and pi across breakpoints, your layout adapts predictably. Make sure to test by resizing the viewport and toggling device tools. If needed, customize breakpoints in Tailwind. Config JS so the size thresholds match your design system. This middle step is where structure and polish meet. Finish by refining spacing, max widths, and responsive typography so content reads well across sizes. Once done, enable purging of unused classes to shrink CSS. Safe list any dynamic class names you generate at runtime. Make sure to add container and max W utilities to control line lengths. Finally, test on real devices and browser dev tools to spot layout shifts. Troubleshooting tip: if styles vanish, check purge safe list and verify class names aren't built dynamically without inclusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.